I first learned about Preciosa lighting in 2006. We selected Preciosa based on my experience in the past with them and also the quality and refinement of the materials. The vision behind the fixture is to just kind of complement the space and maybe soften some of the bold interior architecture. It's also, kind of this organic feel that you have in that beautiful pearl necklace fixture that kind of twists and turns. And it is an amazing project, and I'm very proud of it.